Hey, it's Sarah Taylor. I just want to talk to you a little bit about what I'm doing here. So, doing some different testing, playing around with some different concepts. This is a translucent base coat that I mixed in one of my favorite TLP pigments called Gilded. It's this really vibrant gold. Um, really happy with this gold color. It's really beautiful. Yeah, so I'm going to do a couple of these in this kind of brown and gold and pale blue, the sky blue light palette, and then I'm going to show you another one. So there's 3 paintings in this video in total, and just kind of gearing up for a big canvas, and which I actually just painted today, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So stay tuned. Um, yeah, thanks for being here. I really appreciate your support and watching my videos, and I hope you find them inspiring. I do have a lot of teaching content in my Patreon group, and there's some videos linked below that go into a little bit more depth about the details. This is mostly just hopefully inspiring and relaxing. Yeah, so thanks for being here, and check out all my different offerings below. I do a lot of in-person teaching and a lot of events coming up. So if you'd like to learn more about fluid art, I would love to support you, and much love. Stay till the end. I'll show you all the dried results.